Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing in and opening the search field. You'll act immediately. Type keywords, then add since 2023-01-01 and until 2023-01-31 to limit results to that range. If you only want one account, prepend from username. That filters posts from that source. Once done, press enter and scan the first hits. This narrows noise early and saves time. Make sure dates use YIMMDD and that you include sensible keywords to focus results. Now refine. Put a phrase in quotes for exact matches and use a minus sign to exclude unwanted words. This reduces false positives. Add operators like filter, links, or filter, replies to show only tweets with links or replies, or min retweets, 5 to surface more shared posts. You can combine from username with since / until and additional terms to zero in. Because Twitter indexes differently, experimenting with shorter keywords than expanding works best. Keep adjusting until results match your intent. To finish, review the list and open promising tweets to verify their timestamps and context. Retweets and quotes can change visibility. Save useful finds by bookmarking, taking screenshots, or exporting via a third-party CSV tool if you need records. If you get no results, don't panic. Expand the date range, remove strict keywords, confirm YIMMDD format, and check whether the account is protected or deleted. Those are common blockers. If issues persist, try the advanced search page or a web browser instead of the app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.